Question person me bisa Excellency Mahamani say. Is he obsessed with thieves?
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Ay3ka TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Question person me bisa Excellency Mahamani say. Is he obsessed with thieves? Yes. But only maybe chromophobia per chromophobia. Yes. Me teacher be nebu be. Or say birds of the same feather confuse the owner. They confuse the owners. There's a moment in attack cry. But no, seriously. Opa what the appointees no, yeah, babu bomb na montre the inti America sir. Collins. This is a forcing that has caused financial loss to the state. But you say, or your minority leader, let's cover him. Now, sorry, I'm a chia con and a kufuado. Now, Jammy Papa, so I just told my honest say the IE or Jenai or see you know what? Let's build Ghana. It's okay. When are we going to whatever? But case Lato forcing in any country will not even qualify as a financial secretary in any institution. And the reason is you cannot tell me, say, even foreign companies. Foreign companies are pointing fingers at that guy that he is a corrupt guy. Didn't he lie on his CV? What does he know about finance? I told him, what school no call a PhD crown and finance will a PhD? It's not about that. We are not joking here. So why does Mahama like rewarding thieves? I say, or they are there macron for any day. And it is all because of one thing. Some de cron for te some call and we be a come so simple. Once a thief, always a thief. And to some de ato force and got to seek a foot to one anoa. Minim say me Mahama me pese me ya wagadreka cron no e cron for nim kwa mo de pen we are the into obe we ama me. Mr. Ghanaians are not looking at what they've done. Oh. The appointees this man is selecting alone is supposed to scare Ghanaians. And that's why I said the man, he has not learned anything for the 8 years. Escobar, Utuwe Sawako Fagir, we break your heart first time with their channel. We break your heart second time with their channel. Third time, Oba back. On the back. Do you understand? So why is it said, Onipa natural say me ya kronfo. Ne niamo ya kyerɛ sɛ me ya kronfo me ya wagadre na ne kron no ya no ahye space. No di gina ho, ne ni apotwe kron no nko a. Ato force be gina wa na ni hoto sɛ de yehu ne to. Kron no nko a. And this is a guy that is cited. How do you tell me say a company gets registered today or established today? And the same day, the leader of the company resigns. How? Into a day, not all setting up company. No. I mean, he didn't know that he was resigning. How do you use a company that was not even in existence the time you said you worked there? Isn't that fraud? That is fraudulent. So what you say? Company now, Escobar, also we are Juma or no? Time also we are Juma. Now company no cry young family. And so say now we are Juma at that year. And this is somebody they want to entrust the finances of Ghana into. Why does Mahama like rewarding thieves? Why? Because he always wants to gain. He said, "Well, we are Ghana Japadi ni na ameni ni Ibrahim Mahama." Now we be say no so Ibrahim Mahama is kana sebi. Enyan kwasi asem say president o ma chi o se ke kurawa. Wasimi nua na to ma me. Na mpa ni nua na ba I bought it for my brother. Really? And even that one is not correct. Because once you are a president, gifts and all these things, gift and tax act, it applies to you. So even if your brother wants to give you a gift, it must be declared. All of a sudden, Eban is saying, I mean, by the way, I like Ibrahim Mahama, by the way, because I mean, he's working, he's a young businessman, he's employing some people, so I can't talk too bad about him. But they should not come and make it look as if say they are not corrupt when indeed obi anadwene da obi anim say Ibrahim Ameska wenya no ni nua kronfotachi mo apani mahama and apia ne amade ama no. Don't let us be foolish in this country. We know what is on the ground. We know what is on the ground. Now, Atofo, yeah, put it back. After Atoforson, the next person we have is John Abdullahi Jinapo, MP, Energy and Green Transition. Who is John Jinapo? John Jinapo only got this type of appointment because Champion Rokoto Areneyere. And until so to me compensate no. I know compensate no. But if we are talking about the record of John Jinapo, he is not even supposed to be anywhere near the energy. And Ghana Forte say, John Jinapo is energy minister. Ghanaians are supposed to resist it. By now, demonstrations will be going on, especially businesses. People who do trading. One where this have electricity, yeah, Juma should have been out there telling Mr. Mahama, say, hell no, hell no, hell no. We know this guy. We know what he did to us. But yes, they are quiet. And guess what is going to happen? After a few months, they will now start feeling the impact. Why am I saying this about Jinapo? Who brought the Usain Bolt meters? John Jinapo. Who took credit in Gusane Johnny? And Ghanaians complain about that every day. Meboa. And a meter be a maconia. Who took credit in an action in Ameboa. Why no covers I meet and buy John Jinapo? I didn't ya because of the cat Obenya home. Under the same Jinapo, you see your person a solve doom so. Come who ye? Nyan Samua. Me Tiko. Saka no crowd even no crowd say be that so to work. Kaki to now. You almost friend Tiko. I could coin. Good. Mr. Bansa, I cannot buy 40 cedis petrol to fill the Tico. I say I want the Tico to move. Instead of me buying fuel for the Tico, I rather go and rent 17 Escalades. Bigger engine, 17 V8s. No, petrol would be gumiya more. And you come and let them sit down and sign a deal that says take or pay. Which means say, someone produce power no. Someone produce Ghana has to pay them. Na sabe, me pese me bisa Ghana fo anyansafo na kakra na aka na etie ya ne say, se wo maame company, se wo papa company, ana ya soma wo say, kopa obi obeye Mason abrami a, wo kofa Mason aka jen say, oh papa Mason, yey. Me pese obeye adwuma mam yo. Na mo adwuma na wo beye no. Wo be adwuma o, wo am be adwuma metua, Mason obeye adwuma. Because me bo, mambo be and Jinapo was part of the take or pay agreement with the independent power producers. Jinapo was there. Jinapo was there. The day-to-day activity, John Jinapo was there. Sawanka Samami company. Obeka say, hey, all the workers, whether you come or you don't come, I'm going to pay you. No. But say Ghana for who betri omo. Na omo kickbacks, bro ni free bibi kickbacks. Kickbacks ne den. Kickbacks ne say, me akwesi me na medi ani oni ade entrowa ne ba he. Enti entrowa no say ye ton wa say me nya share kakra wo meboa. Enti ne share kakra na obenya ni nti no, eka emra meden embegu Ghana for so. Sometimes so can I end this if I say you are lying. And it beats my mind. How is that lying? Take or pay, a trese. Go yo, one produce wo, ya burden. And I may be say, for those who kept saying, say, John Mahama solved doom so, John Mahama solved doom so. I have always asked them two questions. Boss, and it's very simple. Say, no solve ya. Why didn't he campaign 2016 say, doom so cry by no, me and ma solve? He couldn't use it out for campaign in 2016. They couldn't talk like that in 2017-18. It was when they saw that Yabuabi and Samoa, the most foolish NPP communications director ever selected, has kept quiet and was working for an agenda. No, we started to push here. We brought the power plant. And then, Utie, wow, Sheme, I dare you, watching me, whether you NDC, MPP, or whatever. I don't care. All the power, badges, which of them was connected to the national grid and giving us electricity when Mahama was in power? Just mention one. Why? NDC for Pachomo Mudidi Atemuno. Please. Yes, Adam, please, can you tell me which of the power plants, the can, whatever, all the power plants, mention one that was connected to the national grid while John Mahama was there until on so. They can't tell you because there was none. Because the first time